And so it began. The new era. The Titan. The Titan is here. So guys, behind me is the new Hilux G. The new look, bagong generation. So guys, before we begin, pwede sa amin yung trade-in. Even other brands, sinatanggap natin yan. Pero guys, by schedule yan right? So just in case meron ka na pala existing approval, i-transfer mo na dito yan. We accept transfer approval kahit sa ibang brand pa yung approval mo. Right? Let's begin this Hilux G, man! Just to contrast these two variant, this one is the Hilux G and beside this is the Hilux Conquest. So, quick summary lang. Ang Conquest natin is meron ngayong Toyota Safety Sense. Mas maraming airbags. Both variants, pwedeng Apple and Android connectivity sa phone nyo. Pero dito sa Conquest natin, pwede yung wireless. Whereas dito sa Hilux G natin is wired. Okay? Parehas itong may panoramic 360 camera, guys. Okay? Pero papasukin natin, of course, ito yung title natin, is this Hilux G. Of course, alam naman natin lagi yan, yung Hilux Conquest is meron niyang roll bar. Look at that, roll bar. Kita nyo? Okay? Yan. Yan agad yung makikita nyo. Then, leather seats ang Conquest. Then, yung mugs nilang dalawa, look at this. So, yan yung design ng mugs ng Hilux G. Pero dito sa Conquest natin, mas konti, pero mas malaki. Yan. Hindi, yung mga holes sa mugs niya. Right? So, depende sa preference and depende sa budget nyo. Okay? Kung mas prefer mo, medyo pangharabas, na hindi mo naman kailangan itong mga Toyota Safety Sense na to, dito tayo sa Hilux G. Okay? Mako-customize mo pa agad yung roll bar na gusto mo ikabit sa likod. Right? Then, ikutan muna natin tong Hilux G before we go inside. Okay? So guys, ito new look ng Hilux natin. We call this Cyber Sumo. It's called the Cyber Sumo. Then meron tayo ditong fog lights. Right? Then guys, Hilux G equipped with 360 panoramic. Solid. Right? Okay, ikutan natin guys. So, yung mugs natin. And, ano yung size nito? This one is 17. Pero mas makapal yung goma niya. Right? Hinakabit dito is Bridgestone Dweller. Right? Hilux G with integrated signal light. Okay? This one is the 360 camera. And look at this. Very sporty yung dating dahil black yung name nung Hilux natin. Okay? Black door handles. Ang ganda nung pagkatuto niya sa matcha silver color. And look at that step board, man. Okay? Yan. Rugged. Okay? Nice. And meron na tong yan. Okay? Dito may apakan na dito. Okay? For easy access dito sa cargo nyo. Okay, of course, meron yung bed liner with shark fin antenna. Guys, nag-iba na yung taillight natin Okay? Remind ko lang, this is the Hilux G. Then, meron tayong 4 na backing sensors sa likod. And look at this. Built-in yung camera niya, Okay? Yan. And look at this design ng Hilux na sa likuran niya. Yung handle, pang open. Sa natin, and ito yung gusto ko i-point out Sa Conquest, so, dual hydraulic ang support niya. Okay, dito, whereas meron tayong dito support. Okay? Pero may hydraulic system pa rin dito. Okay, kita nyo ba? Ayan. Yung support na yan is yan yung nagpapagaan every time na iaangat mo to. Okay? Isang kamay lang oh, sobrang gaan. You don't have to worry na mababagsak siya dahil merong support dito. Pero, papakita ako pa rin, of course, when it comes sa Conquest. Dahil, ito yung gusto ko i-point out sa Conquest na maganda rin dahil, okay, dual hydraulic support siya. Meron dito dalawang hydraulic, both sides, then additional for this. Okay? So, pag iangat mo siya, of course, just like the Hilux G, sobrang gaan. Pero pag ibababa mo siya, pwede siyang bumaba mag-isa ng dahan-dahan. Okay. Para siyang hood lift assist sa Hilux. Pero pabaliktad, of course, dahil pababa siya. Yan. With bed liner of course, and may mga kabitan tayo ng yan, tali pa din. Right? With the Toyota name. Yeah. Modern look. Solid. So, let's go inside, man. Leather. Okay? Also leather. With black stitching. Okay? Itong portion na to is hard plastic. Speaker. One cup holder extended. And yan. Then meron tayong reflector here para pag inopen mo yung door mo sa roadside, at least for visibility. Okay? Ito yung design ng door function and the lock. Okay? Cursor type, not the joystick anymore, for the adjustment of the side mirrors. Right? Ito yung selector natin, either left or right. Okay? Central lock ng doors. Right? 4 panel ng windows. Central lock ng windows. This is for the door, this is for the windows. Right? And look at this seat adjustment. Okay? Ito yung sa sandalan, ito yung sa seat height adjuster. And previously, ang Hilux G sa previous generation, wala yung panoramic 360 camera. Pero dito, guys, meron na tayo. And by the way, this Hilux G is 2.8 engine. All Hilux variant are already 2.8 engine. Wala na tayong 2.4. Right? Yan. Cup holder. One push to open. Nice. And ito yung pang-open ng gas natin. Pang-open ng hood. Okay. Pang-adjust nitong manibela natin. Right? So, ang design nitong manibela is grabe. Kamukha na nung Prado. Ganito yung itsura ng Prado eh. Pero let's go inside. Yeah. So, yan. Guys, dito sa ating steering wheel, meron tayong cruise control. But this one is not the dynamic cruise control. Hindi siya yung sumusunod, yung fina-follow niya yung car sa harapan mo. So dito, ang cruise control dito is yung pan-lock lang ng speed. Okay? Yan, meron tayong pang-reset ng cruise control. Cancel. Ito yung select, natin, pang-skip. Right? Skip ng song. Okay, ito yung mode shortcut. Just in case gusto mo maglipat from AM, FM, Bluetooth. Then, dito naman is the cursor. Look at this cursor. Yan yung pang navigate mo dito sa multi-information display. Okay, ito yung enter. Ito yung back. Answer call, volume control. Yan. Actually, kamukha nito yung sa LCF JTX. Ganito na yung manibela. Nice. So, voice command. And dito sa manibela is, ang ganda, leather coating. Smooth. Then, meron tayong piano black design. Very nice. Advanced na, guys, ha. Ang ganda ng look. Kamukha nito. Ito yung sa Prado na manibela. Okay? Of course, dito sa Hilux G, medyo mas maliit yung monitor natin. Pero, tignan nyo naman. Okay. Yan. So, yun yung multi-information display niya. Actually, dito pinag-uusapan dito sa mga tito natin na matagal na nagda-drive na wala, yung iba kasi dito, pag may walk-in kami, hindi na sa akin mahalaga yung mga safety sense na yan. Tumanda na ako nang wala yung mga yan. Actually, hindi ko kailangan yan. So, kanya-kanyang opinion yan, kanya-kanyang preference, di ba? And of course, ang dulo is depende pa rin sa budget. So, ito ang ating aircon vent. Okay. Hazard mode. Thermostat. So, rotary siya. Niikot. Then, ito yung aircon blower. Okay. And dito sa likod is yung selector ng ating circulation. Okay. Whether kung intake sa labas or within the cabin only. Then, ito naman yung blower control. Yan, rotary siya. Classic look. Then, ito naman yung airflow and rear defogger. Ito, napupush to for the rear defogger. Then, meron tayong connectivity, Type-C, and power supply, Type-C also. Traction button, and eco mode, normal mode, sports mode. So, when it comes dito sa sports mode, mas aggressive yung engine mo. Every time you step on this accelerator. Right? So, ideal yan. High speed or akyatan. Yan. By the way, this Hilux G is 4x2, not 4-wheel drive. So, merong extra pocket dito. Very small lang siya. Okay? Then, dito merong wireless charger. Nice. Ayan, ito, wireless charger natin. Then, ito yung shift knob natin. Guys, grabe. Yung sa LCFJ, medyo mas malaki lang yon. Pero ito, kamukhang kamuka. So, park, reverse, neutral, drive with Tiptronic plus minus. Okay, leather. Nice. Ito yung center console natin. Mahaba siya, guys. So, isang cup holder. Let's see the center pocket. Meron siyang isang power supply. Yung lighter. Yung bilog. Okay. Sana nakikita nyo. Nice. At hindi mawawala dito ang classic nating handbrake. Look at this. Ayan. Sobrang ganda niyan. Magtataka kayo. Kinikip pa rin to ni Toyota dahil sobrang handy nito. Wala nang tingin-tingin. Just grab and brake. Man. Then meron tayong ditong dalawang glove box. So, nakita ko sa Conquest meron siyang cool box. Whereas ang meaning nun kasi dumadaan din yung aircon dun. Pero dito, wala. Added compartment lang siya. Okay? Then, ayan. Meron niyang, ayan, close open na cup holder. Okay? So, same design dito sa passenger. Yan, may isa ring cup holder diyon sa likod. And also that speaker. Right? So, seat design, this one is fabric. Okay, pwede na may pa-leather na lang to. Or pwede kayo bumili ng sinusuot na leather. Okay, mas maganda yon, mas mura, mas madaling i-dispose just in case na luma na. So, going at the headliner. So, ito na yung headliner natin. Nice. Yan, may isang mirror. Okay. Nice. And may hawakan. Kita nyo. Okay, then ito yung ating headliner. Okay. Ito yung ilaw. Okay. Then meron siyang door function. Yan, meron tayong lagayan ng salamin. Yan. Nice. And meron ba tong salamin? Okay, wala tayong salamin sa driver's side. Pero may hawakan tayo, dalawa. Nice. Also, dito. Yan. Malaking tulong pag pababa kayo. Just like itong gagawin natin. Dahil lilipat na tayo sa second row. So guys, by the way, meron tong smart entry button dito. Okay, kita niyo ba yung button? Yan. Okay, gagana lang yan kapag malapit yung susi. So, ito yung design ng door sa second row. Okay? So, let's see. Yan, may leather finish pa rin siya. Oh. Okay? Ito, hard plastic. Pero dito, meron pa rin siyang leather finish. Window control, door panel control. Meron tayong dito, lagayan ng phone. Pwede ang phone, ha? Let's see. Yan yung phone ko. Okay. Meron tayong hawakan dito. Isang cup holder extended. One speaker. So, dito meron tayong dalawang Type-C power supply. Ganda. Okay. Meron din lagayan ng phone. Okay. Meron lagayan ng files. So, check nyo close up, ha. Makita nyo yung texture design ng seats. Okay. So, meron tayong tatlong headrest. Yan. Okay, meron sabitan. Yan. Right. So, para mas madetalye ko yung mga difference, yung difference nitong dalawa, chat me via Viber or WhatsApp. Right? At least pwede ko kayo mabigyan ng technical specs for this. But, guys, dito actually yung unang nakita ko to. Baka hindi maganda, pero iba yung dating sa photo versus sa actual. Yan. So this one is the Hilux G, man. Automatic. 2.8 engine. Nice. Kutan pa natin, oh, para naman sulit yung pag-click nyo. Yan. Hilux G, man. So after this, shoot ko na rin to agad tong Conquest sa tabi niya. Okay? Yan, see that? Yun. So ito yung napakagandang dinagdag dito sa mga Hilux. So, yan na naman. Papasok na naman yung mga bashers natin. Na sasabihin sa ibang brand, matagal nang meron yan. Okay. Ito yung truck na for keeps, eh. The Invincible Hilux. Right? So that's it. It's the Hilux G, man. Stop recording. So that's the Hilux G. Just in case marami pa kayong tanong, Viber or WhatsApp me. Visit also my TikTok. Guys, ito naman lagi outro ko. Just in case meron kayong lumang sasakyan, pwede nyo i-trade in yan. Use it as down payment. Nabulol-bulol na. And pwede mo rin yung sell only. Just in case, gusto mo lang i-dispose yung luma mong sasakyan, pwede yan sa amin. And just in case, meron ka palang approval sa ibang brands, pwede mo yan i-transfer dito. Right guys, visit my TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. That's it. That's the new generation Hilux, man.